guys, Moz here. We're doing another catalogue page by page today. Not a lot of people know about Dragon models, so this is their catalogue for 2020. It does have some fantastic looking models in it. Obviously not a lot of people can get hold of this catalogues. This is why I'm doing this series of catalogues. If you want to see this in the best way possible, I suggest that you put this video to full screen and then also click the settings cog and choose 1080p for the visuals, and that way you will see this in crisp condition. If you see something that you like, just basically click pause and then carry on the video after you've read the page. So this is the Dragon 2020 catalogue. Enjoy. So that was the Dragon 2020 catalogue. I hope that you enjoyed watching that and you found something that really interests you. Obviously, you can go on their website, link in the description down below, and see the catalogue online. But anyways, I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and you'll be notified on any new videos. Any comments, questions, put them in the comments box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.